Other way. Go, yeah, turn it that way. Put that one on that side, that way you'll know that one goes to that side.
Like this one.
Yeah, same way, like this one right here. And once you feel that it's loose enough, you can just start unscrewing it with your hand. Or you can take the ratchet, let me show you a trick. You can take the ratchet and just hold it like that and unscrew it that way. Once you feel that it's loose enough, you can just start unscrewing it with your hand. Or you can take the ratchet, let me show you a trick. You can take the ratchet and just hold it like that and unscrew it that way. Alright, now take the ratchet. You're gonna turn it the same way. See how I'm turning it backwards? Yeah. Alright, now take the ratchet. And you said that one up there. You're gonna turn it the same way. See how I'm turning it backwards? Come again and put this one. And you said that one up there. And come again and put this one. Let's turn it. Yeah, let's turn it. Turn it towards you. Yeah, just turn it towards you. Yeah, turn the pressure on it. Okay. Yeah, that one you're gonna probably have to do. That one you're gonna probably have to do with the ratchet all the way down because it seems like it's kind of hard.
What do you mean all the way down?
Yeah, that one. Can you get it loose? You're gonna probably have to you can free spin it. That one you're gonna probably have to do with the ratchet all the way down because it seems like it's kind of hard.
What do you mean all the way down?
What I do is with it, I'll just bring it. I'll bring it right here. No more than an eighth of a turn. What I do is with it, that's how I just bring it. Okay. I bring it right here. No more than that there. Now what we gotta do is this slides back. Okay. So what you do is slide it back. And you set that over there. Now what we gotta do is this slides back. Now. So what you do this is your engine oil plug. So what we're gonna do is this. Get your pan from over there. This is your engine oil plug. So what we're gonna do is this. Get your pan from over there.